Ever wondered why we're here? No, not in a philosophical sense, but rather, why are we here on Earth and not floating around in the vastness of space? Well, let me introduce you to an old friend named Gravity. Gravity is like that reliable buddy who's always got your back, or in this case, your feet firmly on the ground. It's the reason your coffee stays in your cup and not floating around your living room. Now imagine if Gravity took a day off. Picture the chaos. Your cat, Fluffy, suddenly a feline astronaut. The neighbor's prized rose bushes, now orbiting your living room. And forget about trying to catch the bus. It's currently doing a loop-the-loop around the city skyline. It's fair to say, without Gravity, we'd all be in a bit of a pickle. So thanks to Gravity, we're not currently hurtling through space, but wouldn't it be fun to explore what's out there anyway? If you're thinking about a space holiday, it's important to pack wisely. You can't just take your regular suitcase packed with swimsuits and sunscreen. When it comes to packing for a space vacation, it's less about fashion and more about survival. You'll need your very own spacesuit, preferably one that fits just right. It's not quite the same as your favorite pair of jeans, but it will keep you from turning into a human popsicle in the cold vacuum of space. Next on the packing list, oxygen tanks. Yes, it's not as easy as just breathing in and out. In space, you need to bring your own air. It's like the ultimate BYOB party, but instead of a bottle, it's oxygen. And don't forget about food. You're going to need snacks that don't require a microwave or a stovetop. Think astronaut ice cream and vacuum-sealed packets of shrimp cocktail. It's not exactly Michelin star dining, but it will keep your stomach from rumbling in zero gravity. Now you might be tempted to pack some earthly comforts. A beach umbrella for some shade perhaps? Or a fishing rod to catch some space fish? But remember, there's no beach in space, and the only stars you'll be catching are the ones you see out of your spaceship window. And most importantly, don't forget your sense of adventure. Space travel isn't for the faint-hearted. So you've packed your bags and ready to go. But where exactly are you going in that infinite expanse called space? Let's start with our own neighborhood, the moon. It's only about 239,000 miles away, practically next door by space standards. There's no need to worry about the weather forecast here since it's always sunny, except for the 2-week-long nights. But hey, this gives you plenty of time to explore the Sea of Tranquility or take a moonwalk in the footsteps of Neil Armstrong. Just remember to pack your own picnic, as the local cuisine is a bit rocky. From there, why not hop over to Mars? It's known as the Red Planet. But don't let that fool you. This isn't some quaint countryside retreat. The landscapes here are truly out of this world, from the towering Olympus Mons to the vast Valles Marineris. And who knows, you might even bump into one of those Mars rovers. Just don't expect them to serve you a Martian mojito. Now if you're really looking for a long-haul trip, why not consider a galaxy far, far away? Andromeda, our closest spiral galaxy, is only about 2.5 million light-years away. It's a bit of a commute, but the views are to die for. Just imagine cruising past billions of stars, each with its own potential planets and moons. Who needs a travel guide when you've got the whole universe to explore? Of course, these are just a few of the highlights. Space is filled with countless other destinations, from the swirling storms of Jupiter to the icy rings of Saturn. Each one offers its own unique sights and experiences, making space the ultimate tourist destination. Just remember, there's no souvenir shop or postcard stand in space. All you can bring back are memories and maybe a few space rocks. All good things must come to an end, and so does our space holiday. Time to head back home. Now, prepare for the most intense jet lag of your life. Space jet lag. You thought adjusting to a different time zone was hard? Try readjusting to Earth's gravity. You'll be walking like you're on the moon for days. So there you have it, folks. A round trip to space with no layovers, no in-flight meals, and definitely no frequent flyer miles. But hey, at least the view is out of this world.